Sign me up, okay? Say no more. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a on-the-go makeup look. This is my go-to look whenever I am in a hurry and I really need to get out the door, but I still want to look flawless, you know. I use my Fenty primer per usual, but I am going to be trying out a new foundation from Clinique. So this is the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation. The packaging on this is just so cute. It has a little pump on there. This does have SPF 25. In Clinique foundations, I usually use the shade Amber, so I'm going to go with Amber. For my on-the-go routines, I usually have a little bit of SPF in my like foundation or base product, whether it be a CC cream or foundation. I like to have a little bit of SPF in there because I am in a hurry and I usually will skip regular SPF and just use something with SPF in there. I know people say it's not the same, but I feel like better a little bit than nothing. I don't know. So yeah, this is Amber. I think it's pretty good. They did send me another shade. They sent me Golden. This is definitely too light for me. And then they also sent me Mocha, which also looks a little bit light. I think Amber is perfect. Let me just blend it into my hand so you guys can see. And that's usually what I wear in Clinique anyways. This foundation feels really good. It's a serum foundation. I don't know why it's called that. Maybe I should look that up. Let's see. On the bottle it says 100% fragrance free, weightless, buildable, full coverage. Oh wow, buildable, full coverage. I was not expecting to read that description. I thought it was gonna be like light coverage just because it had the word serum in there, I guess. I don't know. It also said to shake well, which I didn't shake it at all, so I'm gonna just shake it real quick, and then I'm gonna apply another layer of it just because I just want to make sure I didn't miss out on any of the goodness with it when I didn't shake it. You know what? It is covering a lot. It's covering quite a bit. Was not expecting that. I just pulled up the Clinique website to see what this foundation is about, and it says that it's weightless, medium to full coverage, 24-hour color true wear, 42 shades plus 3 serum technologies, hydrate, smooth, visibly reduce dark spots over time. What? Okay, I'm gonna be using this every day. Say less, okay? What? Reduce dark spots? What does it have in there? That's pretty exciting. I'm really curious to see if this actually would work. I think I'm gonna try to use this foundation. I'm gonna wear this to see like how it wears on my skin type. And if it wears pretty well, then I'm definitely gonna use it on the day-to-day just to see like if those claims are actually true. I'm also gonna use their Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer and Eraser. So I'm gonna use this under my eye. And they also sent me 2 shades in this one. They sent this one, which is Golden, and then they also sent another shade, which is Mocha. Golden is a lighter one. Also, it has a more golden tone to it. I think Mocha is a little bit more neutral. This foundation, this concealer is a very lightweight. It's pretty like liquidy, as you can probably tell. I'm gonna let it sit so that way it gives me a little bit more coverage. All right, so while that's sitting, I'm gonna start my brows. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty pencil. This is not brand new, but it's definitely a newer product I started using in the past, I don't know, like a couple months or so. And I definitely really love it, besides it finishing super quickly. This shade I use is number 7, which is Black Brown, and I love this shade. So I'm gonna just fill my brows in. For me personally, brows really help shape my face, so even if I'm on the go, I will try to do my brows just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear my dishwasher going off because it's definitely pretty loud, which is ridiculous. So my brows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out my concealer now. It's been a good, I don't know, 5 minutes. So it's gonna blend it in. It's definitely giving a lot more coverage than it does when I just let it, when I blend it in right away, which I did do when I first used it a couple days ago. This concealer actually has one of those little wands like this. I did use it already, that's why it's dirty. I don't think it's that bad, to be honest. Like, it's not bad compared to other ones I've tried. I still prefer my sponge because it's definitely a lot bouncier. but it's not bad if you just really are trying to do a really quick look and you don't want to carry multiple products with you if you're on the go, like multiple tools, I guess. I think the coverage is pretty good when you let it sit. I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I usually do that even when I am in a hurry. If I have time, I will definitely add a little bit more. I'm gonna just carve my brows out a bit. Typically I use a brush to do this part, but if I'm in a hurry, I'll just use the concealer wand to do it. It won't be as crisp, but it's definitely faster than going back and forth with different products, different tools. Yeah, it's all about trying to save some time. For me, it's all about trying to save some time while still trying to get a similar look to what I would normally do. This foundation and concealer look really good. I am going to use my Dermablend powder, this one here. I'm going to use my Dermablend powder here to set under my eye. And then my chin and my forehead. I definitely do not have time to bake when I'm on the go, so I just literally push this right in to my skin. I'm gonna take a little bit and go down my nose and then on my eyelid just to make sure it doesn't get as oily as it normally would. I'm gonna do bronzer. So this is the Glowish bronzer from Huda. This is not super new, but it's definitely newer and I definitely love it. And I'm just gonna take this brush from Japanesque and start applying this product. When I'm in a hurry, I usually skip blush. I'll just do a heavier bronzer. Put this all over. I'm gonna take a little bit of the bronzer into my crease just to add some definition here. This is optional. This is something I would not do if I really had like zero time left. But if I had like a minute or so, I would definitely do this because it adds a nice layer of definition that, you know, I like. So, and then just bring that down a little bit to the side of my nose to just help with the contour. I did not do cream contour. I usually skip that step if I am really in a hurry because it's just something that I feel like I can skip and just do a powder bronzer. So that's what I did. And then I am going to go ahead and blend it all together with my sponge. I will do a face powder, so I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury in number 4. I'm taking a big brush. This one is from BK Beauty. And it's their 102 brush. I'm just gonna brush this on the areas that I didn't use my translucent powder on. So down here. And I'm gonna actually use it to blend my forehead into the bronzer a little bit. Next, I'm going to do some mascara. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty mascara. It's new from Rare Beauty and I love it. So I'm going to use these. I think I mentioned this in another video that I recently did, but I really love this mascara. It's something about it that I just really love. I don't know if you guys can tell. It just adds a lot of everything. Volume, length, darkness. It's really good. It's just really good. So I'm gonna add another layer of this mascara, but first I'm gonna use my Mercier Cosmic powder. This is the newest powder that they came out with, and focus. I really love this powder. I'm gonna use that today as kind of my highlights and all over glow powder. I really like this powder a lot. I'm gonna use that on my nose. It's a quick way to add a nice wash of highlights and just glow to your routine. So yeah, really love this. I'm gonna go back into the mascara and add some more. For my lip color, I am using the new Fenty Heat, and this one is in the color Hot Chocolate. It's a nice brown color. It looks really pretty. So I'm gonna use this. So this is my complete on-the-go routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know it seems like a lot, but it's definitely way quicker and more simple than my normal routine. As far as the products I tried today, I really love the Clinique foundation. I think it looks really good, like really good. I love the finish of it. I love the coverage it gave, and I love the claims that they're talking about here. You know, dark spot removal, sign me up, okay? Say no more. Everything else I have tried at least once. You guys saw my review on the Fenty lip products. Hopefully, if you haven't, I'll have it linked for you guys. I love all the new colors of these new lip glosses. I also really love the Rare Beauty mascara. It's one of my favorites. It's definitely made my top 5 mascaras because it's just so amazing. Like, I really love it. The one product I was kind of iffy about in this routine was this concealer from Clinique, but honestly, now that my makeup is complete, I do like it. It definitely gave a really good coverage, and it seems like it's more full coverage than I thought it would be. I think because this concealer and the foundation as well is more liquid, I went into it thinking they were not full coverage. Just looking at them on my skin, I can tell that they definitely give more of a medium to full coverage finish. So I am definitely a fan of these products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.